I do beauty and SFX makeup videos, and today is different. We are going to be doing a nail video. You guys asked me a lot about my false nails, and so today I've decided to show you how I apply them. I got this really awesome nail set and eyelash set in the mail. I can usually wear these for about a week to 2.5 weeks, sometimes 3 if I'm really careful. And I'm going to show you the tips and tricks on how to do that today. If you are new here, hello, I am Josie. Please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe down below. If you click the subscribe button and then the bell notification and then click all notifications, you will never miss another one of my videos, especially right now. It's almost Glamoween, which means new Halloween videos all throughout the month of October, and let's get into this video.
Alright guys, so pick out your nails. I'm going to be using the Salon Perfect Bear Claws. This is in the collaboration with Brittany Bear Makeup, and they are stunning. You can pick up Salon Perfect nails at Walmart, and they are really affordable. But anyway, you're going to need a buffing block, a file, cuticle nippers, some nail polish remover, and a cotton swab. But the Salon Perfect nails already come with a packaged nail file with a buffer and a file side. So really you don't need the buffer or the file because it already comes with the nails. First step is we are going to take off any residue, any nail polish, any oils off of our fingers. And I decided to take off my rings at this point because I forgot to at the beginning. So after we have everything removed off of our nail plate, we are then going to start to clip our cuticles back. Be very gentle with this. I actually already did this a couple days prior, so I didn't really have anything to clip off. But as I'm doing this, I'm also pushing my cuticles back just a little bit. And then we are going to start to size up the nails to our fingers. A good way of doing this is taking a nail and rocking it back and forth on the nail plate to see if there's any excess nail showing. That's what you do not want. But also, you don't want the nail to overhang on your cuticles because that's going to lift faster. So what I do is I just make sure all of the nails match my nail plates perfectly. That's really going to help them last even longer. The next step is I'm just going to round off my nails or, file them to whatever you like the shape to naturally be. We just want the free edge to be clean and short, preferably. Then very, I cannot stress this enough, very lightly, you are just going to barely buff the top of your nails. You do not want to press hard or really dig in there. That can really ruin your nail plate, but lightly buffing it before you apply the nails will also help them stay longer. Then, taking the glue, we are going to open it. And once we have the glue open, we are going to start on our nails. I like to measure the nail one more time before I glue it on. And then we're going to apply a thin layer and make sure it comes in contact with all points on the fake nail that it's going to be touching your real nail. Then I like to press it under my cuticle just a tiny bit and press down and make sure it's the right angle and then just hold it down for a few seconds. I start at my pinkies and work forward towards my thumbs on both hands because my thumb is working with every single nail that we put on basically. So I like to do those last. And then we're just going to do the rest of the fingers. A quick tip here, guys, is when you're doing the glue portion, make sure the glue is touching all parts of the nail that are going to be in contact with your actual nail. I already said this, but it is extremely important to have a even layer of glue between the false nail and your real nail because it helps with air bubbles. You do not want air bubbles underneath your false nails. This really helps keep them on longer because air bubbles just mean less contact with the glue, if that makes sense. Once we are done with all the fingers except the thumbs, I will usually let the nails that are on right now just, sit for about 5 minutes to really, dry and stick. And then I will move on to my nails on my thumbs. And we are going to apply the nails onto our thumbs the same exact way as all of the other fingers, except after we get done with one thumb, we're just going to take a rest for about 5 minutes to let that thumb set before we do the other thumb. And then you are done. Your nails are complete, and I like to just finish them off with some cuticle oil and quickly rub it in, and you have freshly done beautiful nails at a very low cost. And these, I'm serious guys, can literally last me more than 2 weeks sometimes. It's actually awesome.
That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a great day. Love you guys. Bye!